Artwork can really pull a room together and infuse the space with your personal style. And create your own artwork isn't as difficult as you might think. In my last video of the entryway makeover, I did a set of 3 pieces of a sketched picture prints on the wall. As promised, in today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make it on your own without spending any money. It's a really easy process that anyone can do at home. All you need is an iPhone or iPad, and access to a printer, and that's it. So let me walk you through the steps right away. First, go to the App Store. In the search box, enter PixArt and click the top one to download it. When it's done, then click to open the app. Or go to your home screen and click on the icon to open it. Once opened, click here to add the photo that you want to edit. If the photo is recently added, you can choose directly from this page. Or click on All Photos in the upper right, then select the photo for editing. This photo is one of my favorites. It was taken on my birthday trip, a cold, rainy night on the street of London. Anyway, now let's do the tricks. First click Effects, then click Artistic. This will give you the effect of a black and white sketch. Click on Apply and then click on Effects again. This will give you many other artistic effects to choose from. I like this one, the effect of a pastel, so I just select this and hit Apply and Next. Close the advertisement boxes and then select Save to Photos. Now, if you open your photo album, you will be able to find the saved sketch, and you can print it out from there. My frame size is 11 by 14, and the photo size with mat is 8 by 10. If you want smaller sizes, there are also options that you can use to create a photo collage. You can put 3 or 4 photos on one page, then print it out and cut them separately. There's also another fun app you can use to turn your photos into different effects. Again, you go to the App Store. In the search box, type in STD. Then it will pop out STD Photo Sketch. Once downloaded, open the app, then click on My Pictures. Here you can trim the photo to the size you desire. Click on the Choose button on the upper right corner, then it will automatically take you to all the sketch effects. It has many options, so you can basically play around with it and see which is the best result for your need. On the left, there are also many options that you can choose to take it to the next level with some of the other creative tools. You can customize it by changing the paper type, pencil color, and the background, etc. You can see some effects have a little lock on them. These are the paid ones, so just ignore them, as there are plenty of free options to choose from. These are the chalkboard drawing effects. Here you can add a text or a signature at whatever spot you want to place it. For example, this photo was me sitting in an alley at the city called Larnaca in Cyprus. So you type Larnaca, Cyprus. You can also type in the date and time or the event. Once you have chosen the style you want, click on Share, then you can either save or print. If you saved it first, then just open your photo album, click on the sketched photo, and print it out. Now that you are ready to get started, if you follow the method I've described here, you will be able to create prints of your own, and I hope you have fun doing it. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you all next time.